Oh, this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another glass for you guys. This is from Prada. Lovely looking leather bag or artificial leather, pure leather, or whatever you call it. Lovely. So a bit different than the Guess or other, even other brands. Let me take this off from here. Brand new packaging inside, you can see. Wow, Prada, lovely design. Yeah, take this off. Wow, here is the glass. You can see the branding of Prada. Obviously this body is fingerprint magnets. Whatever you touch, you can leave the mark there. As monitor of Samsung, there was this in the past, still there, I'm not wrong. Wow, beautiful glass, you can see. Wow, some number is written here. Look at the design, beautiful exclusive Italian design. Prada made in Italy here, written. Also you can see here, so the corner is written Prada. And the quality of the product, very close, Prada Milano logo, excellent, beautiful shape as a diamond shape, diamond cut it has, beautiful. Look at this, excellent guys. This is unisex for man and women both, you can use. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.